Hello, hello. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon sa lahat. Gerard Claudio here. Kamusta kayo guys? Sa video na to, ang pag-uusapan natin ay I think people are really interested to this topic. Lalo na mga network marketer, no? Paano ba talaga maka-recruit ng Agila? Yan, no? So, it's a very, very common question na ang good news ay na-figure out ko siya. So, i-share ko sa inyo. Ready na ba kayo? Yan, so type nyo ready kung ready na kayo makinig. And let's dive into this topic. By the way, kung bago ka dito sa page natin, no, my name is Gerard and I am an active network marketer. Yes po. So I don't just teach here, I really build my network marketing um, business. So lahat po ng mga natutunan ko at napag-aralan ko paano ba gawin ang network marketing, gusto ko siyang i-share dito kasi naniniwala ako sa industry na alam mo yun, that this industry is what could help a lot of people. So that's what I believe. So if you are kung ikaw naniniwala ka rin na magandang network marketing or nandito ka to really learn if this is really an opportunity na worth it ba to na magiging time na ibibigay mo dito, um, welcome ka dito sa page ko. So you can also reach, kung mapapanood mo rin to sa uh, Pinoy MLM Tactics sa YouTube by Gerard Claudio, as well as sa Spotify, Pinoy MLM Tactics by Gerard Claudio. And dito sa page natin sa Facebook, which is Gerard Claudio. Dito, by the way, sa page, bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea, ako nakikinig kayo. Dalawa po yung profile ko na may blue check mark. Yung Gerard Christian Claudio, which is my personal profile, and dito yung Gerard Claudio, may blue check mark. So anyone na magme-message sa inyo na hindi po walang blue check mark, wag po kayo mag-entertain. Lalo na po kung nanghihingi ng pera. Wag po kayo magbibigay. Okay? So, hindi po ako yan. Ang gagawin ninyo, lalo na kung ginagaya po yung pangalan ko, kasi hindi ko makontrol eh. Every day, halos every week may gumagaya. So, hindi ko ma-monitor lahat. So, what I do is, kapag may nakita ako, nire-report ko tapos binablock. So, pagtulungan natin, i-report tsaka block nyo rin. Okay? So, para at least iwas tayo sa scam. Anyway, so, paano ba talaga magkaroon ng Agila? Kasi alam naman natin na malaki naman talaga ang pwede mong kitain sa network marketing. Agree ka ba doon? Like, you can really have a huge income sa network marketing. Especially, network marketing is based on building an organization of people who are using and a fan of a specific product or service. Tama ba? Tama kung ganun. So, ngayon, paano ba siya gagawin? Okay? How are we going to do this? And bibigyan ko kayo ng tatlong bagay para at least itong tatlong to maging guiding principle mo na pwede ka pala talaga mag-recruit ng mga high-performing na mga network marketers or not specifically network marketers, high-performing people in general. Yung mga taong pagpasok sa team mo, ito yung mga tao na hindi sila magiging sakit sa ulo sa'yo. Gusto mo bang matutunan kung paano? So stay tuned ka sa video na to. Okay? Ready na ba? Type mo ready. So, paano ba mag-recruit ng mga agila sa network marketing business mo? The first thing na gagawin mo is i-define mo muna kung ano ba talaga yung agila sa paningin mo. Kasi possible na yung agila sa paningin ko, iba sa agila sa paningin mo. Iba yung standard o iba yung pagkakaunawa natin ng leader or teammate na talagang hahataw versus sa iba, no? So ngayon sa iyo, ano ba yung how do you define agila or eagle sa network marketing business mo? And let me give you some. Number one talaga tinitin ako, self-motivated. Ibig sabihin, with less or minimal na motivation, gumagalaw siya on their own. Kasi mahirap yung kailangan, guess ba, like reminder is there, important. Mentoring is there, napakalaga nun. Coaching is kailangan, napakahalaga nun. Pero self-motivated, ito yung mga tao na innate yung motivation nila. Intrinsic, ibig sabihin sa loob. Hindi sila extrinsic. Extrinsic, tama ba? External. Kasi may mga tao na excited lang sila kung nasa event. Excited lang sila kung merong external factor na nag-i-influence ng excitement nila, which is malaking factor yon. Pero kasi, hindi naman kasi all the time magiging maganda yung pakiramdam mo eh. Tama ba? Hindi naman palaging good feels ka eh. Agree ba kayo? So, paano mo ngayon how are you going to build a huge team if halos lahat ng teammate mo will not move alam mo yung like, kung hindi mo sila palaging, wala ka doon. Nagets ba? Well, may factor po by the way, ang system doon. Your team system has to have kailangan meron siyang system where you can help people the, at their own pacing. Okay? Part ng system, but that's not my topic. Pero gusto ko pong pakita na self-motivated siya usually. Yung mga people na high performer. People who needs motivation from other people, hindi sila gumagana kung wala. Might need more exposure to people who are motivated, but ang mga Agila, personally for me, as I understood, these are the people na may motivated sila. Another one, malaki nakikita nila in the future. Malaki nakikita nila sa network marketing business nila. And hindi sila negative. Kasi may vision sila eh. Alam mo, mas malaki yung nakikita nilang pangarap kaysa sa nakikita nilang problema. You will oftentimes see people, kapag nakikipag-usap ka sa tao, hindi hamak na mas na-highlight palagi ang problema kaysa sa solusyon. Mahirap pong katrabaho ang ganun. No? You would want people who always see the good side of the future, hopeful. May malaki nakikita, malawak, kaya na-excite sila. Kasi malaki nakikita nila eh. But you have people who complains a lot, sees problem a lot. Hindi ko i-define, hindi ko i-categorize sa mga taong to as Agila. This will be possible, it will create problem for you. If you have people that doesn't always sees the problem instead of possibilities, sabi nga nila, stay away from negative people. They will always have problem in every solution. Every time bibigyan mo ng solution, problema nakikita. Every time bibigyan mo ng solution, problema nakikita. Every time bibigyan mo ng solution, problema nakikita. Paraging reklamo dito, mahirapan ka kapag gano'n ang kasama mo. And whether we like it or not, may mga ganun talaga tayong may encounter ng mga tao. Okay? But if i-define natin yung Agila, again, motivated to mga to, at the same time, these are the people who sees always the positivity in the future. And so yun. Naniniwala ba kayo dito? Yan. Hello, Ma'am Janeline. Magandang araw. Good morning ba dyan sa inyo? Yan. Good evening po sa amin dito. Are you learning? Dapat yung learning sa may comments kung natututo kayo. Right? So self-motivated, which means intrinsic. Ibig sabihin, hindi na kailangan ng other aspect. No? Number 2, visionary sila. And ito yung isang factor na hindi ko, kumbaga ito, option tong factor na to. What do you mean, Gerard, option to? Kasi, pero gusto ko siyang sabihin, yung may influence. Which means they already have meron na siyang mga tao na nagpa-follow sa kanya. Influence. These are the Agila. Now, ito kasi na-develop through time kasi itong influence eh. Lalo na kung maayos yung system, so you can develop this in the process. So, kaya ako sinasabi to na ito, hindi siya necessary. Pero gusto ko siyang sabihin kasi, of course, kung may influence siya, visionary siya, self-motivated siya, talagang panalo. Gusto ko lang sabihin that I am blessed to have a lot of teammates in my organization that fits into this. I have a lot of teammates na self-motivated sila, visionary sila, influential. Even the existing team that I have, I love to work with the team that I have right now. It's just amazing. I'm just blessed to have them in my team. Lalo na yung mga rising leader na meron kami dito. Talagang hindi mahirap katrabaho. Mahirap kasi alam yung mahirap ganito, no? I don't know kung makaka-relate kayo dito. Meron kang team of 3, 5, or 10, and parang hinihila mo pa silang gumalaw ng network. Mahirap yung ganun, guys. Mahirap yung hinihila mo pa sila. Hindi ko sinabi na awayin mo tong mga to. Be a good human being. Be gentle. Be kind. Mahalaga yon, no? Hindi mo kailangan na maging bossy. I don't buy into that kind of leadership. Hindi yung tipong manggi-guilt trip ka, mangga-gaslight ka ng mga teammate mo. Hindi ako fan nun, no? Hindi ako fan ng ako yung masusunod kasi ako yung upline. Hindi rin ako fan ng ganun. I believe in gentle, being graceful, grace and truth. Sabi sa Bible yun. So, you know the standard, but at the same time, you're giving people the benefit of growing in the process. Tama? So, ganun. Yet, you will encounter people in your network marketing business. Hindi mo kasi may iwasan talaga to na they will be dragging you. Kung ganun palagi, maniwala ka mababurnout ka. So, kailangan, tingnan mo yung organization na meron ka right now. Kung titignan mo yung organization na meron ka, you check kung, ano ba to, are these people just dragging me? Kasi lalo halimbawa, kapapa-event ka, or meron kayong call and all, hindi sumisipot. Or, hindi nagre-respond doon sa effort mo, unappreciative sa effort mo, red flag sa akin yun. Halimbawa, may ginawa ako. I did something for the benefit of that person and they didn't respond with gratitude or with that sense, red flag for me. Hindi ko sinabi na hindi ko siya bibigyan ng chance, but ang gusto ko kasi possible na maraming situation nangyayari sa buhay nila. But hindi ko siya i-consider, hindi ko siya i-categorize na agila siya. Nakuha niyo ba? So, pag maliwanag sa'yo kung ano yung definition ng agila, malam mo kung paano siya hanapin. Ang problem, tinuturo sa atin to, hanapin mo yung agila mo, hanapin mo yung agila mo. Pero sa totoo, hindi naman natin alam kung sino yung hinahanap talaga natin. Do I make sense? Like, we really don't know sino yung hinahanap natin. But I give you some, self-motivated, may vision, influential. Siguro I might add, may maganda attitude. Minsan may mga toxic na mga network marketer or may mga nagpe-pay in, medyo mahirapan ka doon. Ako, maganda akong makapagtrabaho sa taong maayos katrabaho. Kahit naman sa trabaho natin, employment, ganun, di ba? We want people who has a very good character. Alam mo yun? Kasi ang skills, mga minamahal, ano mo yan ma-learn mo yan. Pero ang character minsan, like yung may mga self-interest, yung sarili lang iniisip, mahirap katrabaho ang ganun. Okay, so, agree ba kayo? Type nyo nga agree, type nyo learning, heart nyo to, share nyo to guys, if you think this is valuable. Okay, Riza Dino, nag-star si Riza. Are you learning? Ayan. You define agila. Okay, so number two, second thing na gagawin mo, identify mo kung ano ba yung hinahanap ng mga to. So, paano mo ngayon ma-identify kung hinahanap nila? Ngayon, if you will be more specific, ano ba yung hinahanap ng mga to? Like, what kind of environment are these people looking for? What kind of leadership are these people looking for? What kind of system are these people looking for? Yun yung mga tanong na kailangan mong tanongin. Hindi po pwedeng offeran mo lang tapos, alam mo yun, like, you get that? So, kailangan alam mo yung hinahanap nila. Ano bang team talaga? Ano bang leader ang hinahanap na to? Ano bang specific system ang hinahanap ng mga to? Ano bang specific culture or vision or movement ang hinahanap ng mga to? Kasi if you can't provide that, don't expect that they will be attracted to you. They will respectfully decline you, but don't expect that these people will join you. Maliwanag ba? So, kailangan alam mo yung hinahanap nila. And if you know what they're looking for, then you know how you can project yourself. This is number 3. So, ngayon, alam mo yung hinahanap nila, third na gagawin mo is, paano ko ngayon to ipaproject yung sarili ko that I'm the one that could provide what they're looking for. Nakuha? Are you learning? So, don't just think na, kasi minsan may mga mindset tayo sa network marketing na hanapin mo yung agila tapos pipilitin ko, magmamakaawa ko. I remember merong paid mentor kami several years ago. Sabi niya, kapag meron ka daw nahanap na agila, ito talagang totoong taong to, liligawan mo daw talaga. Huwag mong titigilan hanggang mag-join. Yun ang sabi niya. Pupuntahan mo, tatawagan mo, talagang liligawan mo daw, parang nanliligaw ka. And I was like, nung nakikinig ako sa kanya, hindi ko ma-verbalize yung gusto kong sabihin. Kasi siya yung trainer diba? Binayaran mo tapos ganoon sinabi. Pero, I mean, siguro he was saying it from a perspective. Kasi ganito yung paniniwala ko. Kung pipilitin ko yung tao na pumasok sa organization ko, like talagang pipilitin ko in that sense. Na parang ako na yung nasa posisyon na nagmamakaawa ako. Mahihirapan akong i-lead yung ganung tao. Nakuha niyo ba yung sinasabi ko? I don't know if you get my point. Like, if pinilit ko yung tao na mag-join sa akin, tingnan niyo ang labas at saka in a sense na kung hindi lang siguro malinaw yung pagkakasasabi. Pero kung pipilitin ko siya na talagang ifo-force ko siya, pupuwersahin ko siya na mag-join sa akin. Na parang liligawan ko siya ganun. Ang mangyayari ngayon diyan, kumbaga siya na yung posisyon na magko-control sa akin kasi parang feeling niya siya yung kailangan ko. Nakuha niyo ba? Instead na sasali siya sa akin kasi magiging partner kami and then matutulungan ko siyang maging better kung nasaan siya ngayon. I could be a channel or I could be a bridge na magiging better siya in terms of their life or sa gusto niyang mangyari sa buhay. Ganon yung gusto kong maging posisyon. I will not beg for anyone to join. Kasi kapag ako nagmakaawa na mag-join yan, most probably, mahirapan ako magpagalaw dyan. Agree ba kayo sinasabi ko? Type nyo nga agree kung agree kayo sinasabi ko. Tama? Do I make sense? So, I will project myself not as someone na pipilitin ko siya kasi agila to, so magmamakaawa ko. Hindi. I'm not gonna do that. Rather, titingnan ko, ano ba yung mga hinahanap nitong leadership style? Ano bang hinahanap nito na, na system? Ano bang hinahanap na kultura nito? Ano bang hinahanap nito na vision? Ano bang hinahanap nito na leadership? Alam mo yun, like all of these things. And then, I will project myself and say, I know this is what you're looking for and this is what I can give you. Ganong klase ng transaction. Pero yung sabihin mo magmamakaawa ko, ligaw-ligawan ko, tapos alam mo yun, wala naman akong plano kung paano ko siya tutulungan. Hindi rin magwo-work yun, guys. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Okay? So, define mo muna para sa'yo, ano ba yung agila. So, after itong video na to, isulat mo, ano ba talaga ang agila sa akin? How should I look like, how does an agila look like? Okay? Not literally, but you know. Sino ba itong mga top performer? Like yung talagang gagalaw kasama ko. Anong hinahanap ng mga to? And then how I'm gonna project myself as someone that could be a bridge sa mga gap na hinahanap nila. Maliwanag, type nyo learning kung natututo kayo sinasabi nyo. Type nyo learning. Joy San Luis, Michael Valenzuela. Hello, kamusta? So, another one, hindi ko na ilagay dito, tatlo lang to, pero bibigyan ko yung isa. Identify mo na sila, alam mo na ang hinahanap nila, alam mo na kung paano mo project ka sarili mo na ikaw ay magiging bridge dun sa gap. Identify mo kung saan sila tumatambay. Might be virtual or online, offline. Look where are their eyeballs are. Nasaan ba yung mga eyeballs nila? Lalo na kung online. Do something about it so that you could catch and grab their attention. That's how you're gonna get agila. You don't get agila by begging. You don't get agila by being inconsistent. You don't get an agila by not improving yourself. I'm really sorry about that. You don't get agila by just copy-paste whatever natutunan ninyo mga copy-paste eklavu. You don't get an agila by just hoping and praying and don't do anything. Alam mo yun, you get agila by developing yourself, understanding ko ano ba yung how do you define them, identify ko anong hinahanap nila, and be someone that you could bridge that gap, and then look where they are, tumatambay. Where are these people nagahadal? Okay? Are you learning? Yan, Joy San Luis, learning. Perfect. Yan. So yun lang naman, guys. I hope this is something na nag-add value to you. And Jared, I want to develop myself. I want to build up myself. Okay. Go to pinoynetworker.org. That is the course that I created for network marketers. If you haven't got that course, go to pinoynetworker.org. It's a lifetime access. It's only $899. I teach every single thing that you know. If lalo na kung bago ka sa network marketing, or lalo na kung nandito ka at gusto mong malaman, ano ba po pwede ko pang ma-improve sa network marketing business ko, it's still on discount right now. Maybe in the future, I will plan to expand that. But as long as ganito pa yung price, kunin mo na siya. Lifetime access yan, you only one payment. pinoynetworker.org. God bless everybody. Hello, Gab Olivo. Magandang araw. You guys are all amazing. Share this video. Share this to your teammates. Share this to your group chats. Baka makatulong. And happy ako na makatulong sa inyo. God bless everybody. Bye-bye.